Assume a world where abundance flows freely, relationships are harmonious, and your health thrives. This isn't a distant dream, but a tangible reality available to all. You possess an innate power, a creative force capable of shaping your world according to your will. Ever dreamt of waking up to a reality that aligns perfectly with your desires? A world where your wishes manifest with astonishing speed? This isn't a fairy tale. It's a tangible possibility accessible to all. Within you lies a hidden power, a creative force capable of shaping your world according to your will. The secret lies in understanding that your consciousness is the sculptor of your experience. What you focus on, what you believe, and how you feel all contribute to the tapestry of your life. By mastering your thoughts, you gain dominion over your circumstances. Let go of the notion that external factors dictate your destiny. Instead, recognize that you are the captain of your ship, navigating through the vast ocean of possibilities. Your imagination is your compass, guiding you towards the shores of your heart's desires. Visualize your dreams as if they are already realized. Immerse yourself in the emotions associated with their fulfillment. Allow yourself to bask in the sensations of abundance, love, and joy. This mental rehearsal primes your subconscious mind for manifestation, drawing your desires closer to fruition. The universe is a mirror reflecting your inner world. When you cultivate positivity, gratitude, and faith, the external world responds in kind. Challenges are not roadblocks, but opportunities for growth and variation. Think of them as stepping stones towards your ultimate goals. Persistence is paramount. Keep your focus unwavering, even when faced with doubt or setbacks. Your desires are seeds planted in the fertile soil of your mind. With consistent nurturing, they will inevitably blossom into reality. Trust in the intelligence of the universe. It knows your path better than you do. Surrender to the flow and allow the magic of manifestation to unfold in its perfect timing. You are a divine being capable of creating miracles. Unleash your inner power and watch as your dreams become your reality. The world awaits your brilliance. Also, have you ever looked at the world and wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract everything they desire? It's as if the universe conspires in their favor. They land dream jobs, find soulmates, and achieve financial abundance with uncanny ease. While it might seem like magic, it's actually a precise understanding of a universal law. The secret lies in the nature of your mind. It's the architect of your reality. Every thought, every image you conjure is a blueprint for your life. Your brain doesn't differentiate between what's real and what's assumed. When you vividly assume something, your body responds as if it's already happening. This physical reaction sends powerful signals to the universe, attracting circumstances, people, and events that match your mental blueprint. Now, let's talk about speed. Why overnight? Because the mind is incredibly powerful. It can shift realities in an instant. When you truly believe something is yours, it becomes yours. The key is to feel the emotion of already having what you desire. It's not just about seeing the outcome. It's about immersing yourself in the feeling of it. Assume waking up to the life you've always wanted. Feel the joy, the excitement, the gratitude. Hold on to that feeling. The more intense the emotion, the faster your manifestation. A technique to accelerate this process is what some call assumption. Thinking about your desire is already a fact. Live as if it's true. Walk, talk, and feel as if you already possess what you seek. This might feel strange at first, but it's a game changer. By assuming the end result, you're aligning your energy with it, making it easier for the universe to deliver. The outer world is a reflection of your inner world. If you're filled with doubt and fear, that's what you'll attract. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, gratitude, and faith. Believe in the infinite possibilities. And most importantly, be patient. Manifestation is a process, not a magic trick. Enjoy the journey and trust that your desires are unfolding in perfect timing. The key to overnight manifestation is to combine vivid imagination with deep-seated belief. Feel the emotions of your desired reality as if it's happening now. Assume it's true and live accordingly. Maintain a positive mindset and trust in the universe's timing. By following these principles, you're setting the stage for extraordinary variations in your life. You are the creator of your reality. The power to shape your world lies within you. Your mind is a potent tool, a creative force capable of shaping your reality. It's not merely a passive observer of the world, but an active participant in its creation. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are the building blocks of your experience. Many believe that success is achieved through relentless effort, determination, and external circumstances. While these factors play a role, they are secondary to the power of your mind. When you align your thoughts with your desires, you tap into a potent force that can overcome any obstacle. The key lies in shifting your focus from what you lack to what you desire. Instead of dwelling on limitations and shortcomings, visualize your dreams as already realized. Feel the emotions of abundance, joy, and fulfillment as if they are currently yours. This mental shift creates a vibrational match between your inner world and your desired outcome, accelerating the manifestation process. The universe operates on the principle of like attracts like. By cultivating positive thoughts and emotions, you invite positive experiences into your life. Let go of fear, doubt, and negativity, for they hinder your progress. Replace them with faith, hope, and expectancy. It's essential to understand that manifestation is not about forcing or manipulating reality. It's about allowing your desires to unfold naturally in divine timing. Trust the process and have faith that the universe is conspiring in your favor. Your subconscious mind is a powerful ally in this journey. By impressing upon it the image of your desired reality, you create a blueprint for manifestation. Utilize techniques like visualization, affirmations, and gratitude to reinforce your desires. Every thought you entertain, every word you speak, and every action you take contributes to the creation of your world. Choose your thoughts wisely, for they are the seeds from which your reality grows. Doubt is the biggest thief of dreams. It's the whisper that tells you can't or it's impossible. But remember, every great achievement was once considered impossible. Replace doubt with determination. When challenges arise, see them as opportunities for growth. Every obstacle is a stepping stone to your success. Don't let fear dictate your actions. Fear is a liar. It promises pain, but it delivers nothing. Courage, on the other hand, is not the absence of fear, but action in spite of it. Take that first step, even if it's trembling. Your words are seeds you plant in your mind. Choose them carefully. Speak to yourself with kindness and encouragement. Affirmations are powerful tools. Tell yourself you are capable, deserving, and abundant. Your subconscious mind believes what you tell it. Be mindful of your language. Avoid negative words like can't or won't. Replace them with positive affirmations. Your words create your world. Your conscious mind is the driver, but your subconscious is the engine. It's the powerhouse that manifests your desires. To reprogram your subconscious, use visualization, meditation, and affirmations. Think about your desired reality as vividly as possible. Feel the emotions associated with it. The more real it feels in your mind, the closer you are to experiencing it in reality. While imagination is powerful, action is essential. Visualization without action is like a car without gas. Take inspired action towards your goals. Every small step brings you closer to your destination. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Opportunities often disguise themselves as challenges. Be ready to seize them. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Your dreams are valid, your desires are worthy. Believe in yourself, and the universe will conspire in your favor. The path to manifestation is a personal journey. What works for one person may not work for another. Experiment with different techniques. Find what resonates with you and trust your intuition. Be patient with yourself and celebrate every step forward. You possess the power to create the life you desire. Believe in yourself and let your imagination run wild. The universe is abundant, and there is more than enough for everyone. Your desires are valid, and you deserve to experience them. Trust in your ability to manifest and take inspired action towards your goals. The universe supports you, and your dreams are waiting to be realized. So, what are you waiting for? Start today. Begin with a single thought, a small act of faith. Watch as your desires unfold, and your dreams become reality. You hold the key to your reality. It's not magic, it's science. Your mind is a powerful tool. Use it wisely. Believe in your ability to create the life you desire. The universe is abundant. There's enough for everyone. Doubt is the only limit. Replace it with faith. Watch your thoughts, for they become words. Watch your words, for they become actions. Watch your actions, for they become habits. Watch your habits, for they become your character. And watch your character, for it becomes your destiny. You are a masterpiece in the making. Don't settle for less than extraordinary. Dare to dream big. Believe in the magic within you. The stage is set. It's your turn to shine. Don't just watch, take action. Start today. Your future self thanks you. Hit that like button, show your support, and let's create a wave of manifestation together. Subscribe now for more life-changing content. This is just the beginning. Let's unlock your full potential. You've got this.